Hello and welcome back to Cyprus Photography Tours, and today I'm in Nicosia, the last divided capital in the world. I'm currently at Eleftheria Square and we're going to do another photography POV, and again we're going to do it with the iPhone 17 Pro. And I think I already have the first shot being hit, so I'm going to put you on my chest. We'll take a walk around, and in the second half we'll probably go to another location in Nicosia at Famagusta Gate. Let's get going. All right, what are we gonna capture today? I'm getting destroyed by flies already. So kind of like this shot here, nice and wide. I think I'm gonna go like that. Why is the exposure? How do I adjust exposure? Why are we so high? There we go. How's that gonna look? So if you watched last week's video in Buffos, I'll share my settings again on screen that I have for the iPhone 17 Pro, and we'll switch between photo and portrait mode. I'll probably take a couple of videos as well, so it's B-roll. This place is really cool. Why am I overexposed again? Keeps overexposing. Exposure, reset, there we go. That's a cool shot, extra wide. So everyone loves this spot, especially at night. If I come this way with the stairs. If I do a one-time zoom, I might have to come closer. Let's head up on the stairs. It is 31st of October, so Halloween. Okay, anything interesting here we can shoot? So I've got a different case today. This is one from Ilago, and we'll head this way towards the green line. Whoa, 8x zoom, perfect. Can't see a thing from the brightness. So over there must be the green line. Oh, there's our first cat. Come here. There's another one over there as well. There is our first cat. Nice. I actually couldn't see what I was taking because it was so bright. But I do like those flowers too, which I've just seen. Let's go back to... There we go, cat every video, complete. I haven't failed today's video. How do we do? These postcards look faded. Look how faded these postcards look. I want the focus on here. Wait for them to come through. Bingo. That's what I wanted. So we're pretty much at the green line. Geez, that is a big cat. That is a big cat. Did I get you? I did. Yeah, this is you. Can't believe I got it. Should we do a selfie? Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. Come here. Did I get it? Okay, this is at the green line. We are not crossing. That is a cool parrot. Do you reckon we get some portraits of this parrot? The question is, how do we get this parrot? And do we go 4 times? Where are you going? Wow, that's really cool. I have to admit, the selfie mode is really cool. Because you can just hold your phone landscape. Why? This is so funny actually. You're literally in the perfect place. I actually like this shot. If I come a little bit closer. He's in loaf mode. Are you friendly? Okay, I'll leave you be. Okay, too much trash here. Let's get away from this. Hit the back streets, circle round. Kind of like the cat there as well. Okay, I know I haven't spoken much in the first half of this video, and that's just because I'm just taking everything in. It's not often I come to Nicosia, and I still have that imposter syndrome where I'm just walking about trying to talk to myself and everyone's looking at you. And I'm also just trying to find spots. Plus, I don't need to talk every single moment. Block out the sun here. Wait for these people to come by. Take that. I actually cannot see a thing. Oh, let's go over here. It's actually really hard to shoot with the sun being so bright. It makes great photography because you've got contrast between light and shadows. I think I'll crop this one later. I don't like the chairs in the way. And I'm gonna come this way a bit and then come down. That looks better. Part of doing street photography is just walking about and seeing what draws your eye. Oh, look at the windmill as well. Oh, I kind of like this shot as well because the sun's like almost perfect in terms of yeah, you can see. Yeah, as I was saying, the selfie mode is pretty cool on the iPhone because we now can go wider, which you could do before anyway. So it was like, if you need a little bit of extra width, but if you just want to do a landscape shot, there we go. How do I frame myself? We'll go like this. There you go. It's much easier to take photos. Hence the one I took with the cat earlier. Where was it? Yeah, like it's so handy. It's actually so much better. I think this might be the last shot before the battery runs out. I'll probably take a break. Oh wow, this is cool. Extra wide here. Okay, we are back. So the Go 3S ran out of battery, and because it's a hot day, it actually couldn't fully charge. So I had to wait a little bit. So the green line is like over there, but we're gonna head like north that way. I'm gonna take some more photos, and then we'll probably get a break, and then we'll head to Famagusta Gate. Because I'm getting a little bit peckish. It's almost 2 o'clock. Like, this is large open space here. Right, I'm a bit of a plum because in the last recording up until where I was going to find something to eat, I either didn't press record or I accidentally deleted the recording when it was in my back pocket. But this is where I came to eat, in this place there. Really nice, check it out. So now I'm gonna head to Famagusta Gate, which is in that direction. So let's head over there. Okay, so change of plan. I walked all the way to Famagusta Gate and there wasn't much else there other than that. So for the second half of this, I'm just gonna walk along the main road here, all the way around to Eleftheria Square, see what we can capture. And yeah, a bit more life, something different. We've done the back streets, let's do some more modern stuff now, so we're not as close to the green line. Can I get those pigeons in a row? I do like the 8x zoom, I've been using it a lot. Perfect. Look at that. The 8x zoom on this is actually incredible. This has probably been the most challenging video I've done because it's been hot today. I haven't been able to see my screen. So whatever photos you see, it's pretty much been blind. Nothing has drawn my eye yet. Nothing has drawn my eye. And the fact that I'm using my phone for everything, for, well, checking emails, doing what I have to do during lunch, taking photos, the battery's been good. I had a full charge when I got here, and it's lasted pretty good. Maybe this was a bad move. Maybe I have to go in. Oh, okay. I actually kind of like the way, I'm gonna go back a bit. The building is shaped, and I'm just gonna click on that for the exposure. So the way the building was shaped with the trees, I like. Photo of the traffic here. No, let's do it 2 times. Okay, I'm gonna go 5 times. wonder how that turned out. And most of this I'm shooting blind. I cannot see a thing. Maybe it is a better idea to cross. Too much traffic, if you ask me. Too much traffic. Oh, if we get rid of the bins 2 times, 4 times, 2 times, point up. I feel like I've been doing more walking than shooting today. Why am I struggling to find anything aesthetic? Like, this is kind of random, but I don't know why I like it. Because it's just on its own next to a windowsill. But it's just been really hard. I do like the M3, but it's just like, how do I frame it into what? Okay, what is the time on this? 12 minutes. Sun is setting. We're basically an hour before sunset. I kind of like this shot if I look up. And now let's go to photo mode. There we go. I kind of like these two here by the nice. No. Looks like they put Christmas decorations up. Ooh. This looks nice. Great, thanks so much for watching this week's photography POV in Nicosia. Let me know which of the photos you liked in the comment section down below. Also, let me know which city you want to see next and which camera and lens combination. Presets are in the link in the description box down below, and I'll let you know for the iPhone cases, link to my other channel also in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.